Look at they ass. They getting it. They struggling, but they get it. I'm over here recording this shit. It's cold as fuck. 3 years later, you still see snow. Y'all think I live in fucking Antarctica. From me, y'all forecast. That's how deep it is. They ass struggling to get up the street right now. Look at they ass. They getting it. They struggling, but they get it. I'm over here recording this shit. It's cold as fuck. Look how tall it is. Look at that shit. Mind you, this is just today. This is literally just today. I had some footprints over here. You can't even see them bitches no more. Literally, they're gone. Look at something like that. They gone now. 3 years later, and it's another blizzard outside. I think that's my last video. It's a fucking blizzard, trizzer, fizzer. Alright, I'm finna teach y'all what a thunder snow is. So thunder snow is like when it's snowing outside, it's a snowstorm, but you got lightning and thunder at the same time. So I'm gonna tell y'all like how it works. Basically, you got cold air going above the hot air. The cold air, the cold and dry air, which is kind of like, you can visualize it as a little ice particles. Then you got the fucking warm air. Visualize that as just regular snow. It's a little warmer, so it's not ice, it's snow. All right. You got them two motherfuckers coming together, keep clashing into each other. Eventually, they gonna start causing some electrical charges. That electrical charge make lightning bolts, which makes thunder. That's how you get thunder in a snowstorm. You here with it? Let me know if y'all want to do some more reactions, some more vlogs. Beautiful, sparkling and shit. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vlog. Let me know if y'all want me to do some more vlogs, some story time. I'm doing all them bitches. Let's get to it.